I'm Christophe Binetruy. I earned my master degree of mechanical engineering at the University of Valenciennes in France, and also a master degree of textile engineering at the University of Lille in France. And I defended my PhD in 1996. And the same year I obtained an assistant professor position at the Institute Mines Telecom in Lille-Douai. In 2002 I obtained my accreditation to supervise research from the University of Lille, and I am currently affiliated professor of mechanical engineering at the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the University of Delaware. So I joined Central Nantes in 2011. I was attracted by the dynamism of Central Nantes and also the region Pays de Loire. There was a great momentum in the field of polymer composite processing, and since it was my field, I knew that it was a great opportunity to me just to go there and to have get this professor position. So my primary research focus is the multi-physics modeling of composite process. And as you know, numerical simulation becomes a very interesting tool for companies to improve their process. And the main reason for that is you can eliminate very costly, time-consuming trial and error practice. So we have nice facilities, experimental facilities, very up-to-date, and they are developed according to our research projects. And the advantage also, we have a nice network with academia and partners like from industry, and we can develop great projects with them. Also nice support from the region Pays de Loire for supporting our project as well. And I must say also that we have a very good students enrolled in the engineering or master programs, and some of them are very interested in making, developing research with us. And as an example, I can show you something I like very much. It's a project. It's a worldwide competition actually. The students, they receive a kit of material, and they have to design the bridge. They have to have the lightest bridge able to sustain a certain load. So I work with many colleagues at the GEM Institute, and what is great is there are many researchers with very complementary expertise and also skills. So it means that if you want to develop quite challenging projects, we have to tackle very difficult questions, you know that you have colleagues that are experts in different fields, which is very helpful. Also, we establish very strong relationships with the University of Delaware. So we used to have a visiting professor, Professor Advani. And also we work very much in collaborative projects with companies in different sectors. I can cite, for example, automotive industry, aeronautics, energy, materials. Since 2011, and it was one of my initial motivation to come here, ECN offered me the possibility to have a chair on structural composite for automotive industry with the company Faurecia. Faurecia is a tier 1 supplier automotive industry. It's a worldwide company. And we decided to work together to develop new solutions for lightweight design and efficient manufacturing processes for automotive industry. And that was a strong relationship we maintain over 10 years now, and I'm very happy about that. It's a strong partner for us. There is a new paradigm shift in, let's say, the way you have to now consider the environmental impact of your research or what you do, what you develop, And for the field of composite materials, we know that we have to develop engineering for sustainability of composites to design more eco-friendly solutions. For example, we are working on new technologies to reduce the production scraps, for example. We are also considering more the biomass as a way to produce new raw materials to be used to get new product at the end. And also recycling of material is also a very important question, and not only recycling, I must say also upcycling. So upcycling means that we want to keep the added value of the original material, and it's a very, very important question to tackle today.